Hey everybody, so welcome to Love Our Body, cooking and making things, making recipes and things like that. So what I want to do today, as you can see, I have this beautiful pineapple here, and what we're going to make today we're going to make chocolate covered pineapples. Just sounds so yummy. That's going to be our dessert for this evening after dinner. So I've already went ahead and cut off the top of the pineapple, as you can see. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and slice this pineapple. And I'll just put the other parts on the side. All right, so what I figured out is that what you want to do is you want to pretty much dry off a little bit of the pineapples, like dab your pineapple first, and then, so don't dip your pineapple into this. Don't do that. You want to have it on the cookie sheet first, line up everything on the cookie sheet, and then you add your chocolate to it. Okay, so here it is. These are my pineapple bars. They are covered, this is fresh pineapple, and it's covered in chocolate and almonds.